they said all these will be available on the website. So
Hi, welcome, welcome. Welcome to English. Hi, everyone. Happy Sunday. Hope everyone's enjoying open house. This is different, but this is fun. We have dogs barking in the background. We have kids with us. We're keeping it entertaining. So I hope everyone's having a wonderful Sunday. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sarah Barano. I'm the department chair for English. I also teach juniors American literature and AP language. And let my colleagues introduce themselves as well.
I'm Stephanie Udiz, and I teach freshman English.
I'm Alex Hyman, and I teach sophomore English.
My name is Ryan Offield. I have seniors this year, English 4 and AP Lit.
I'm Noelle Houle. I have freshman and senior English. I teach yearbook and health and wellness to the freshman class.
So we wanted to give you a little bit of overview of our department as best as we can over Zoom. So yes, we know we could just list all of the books we read, and we could give you the catalog, all these things you could find on our website, right? We could explain the grading requirements. We talk about grade level. But instead, we want to give you a breakdown of what it means to be a Mercy Girl in regards to us as English teachers. For us, we want our students to read with a purpose, to write to persuade, to speak with conviction, to articulate their thoughts, and to respect the opinions of others. It is crucial that our girls leave our campus when they're seniors, ready to take on the world with their voice, and they feel confident to do so.
In freshman year, we really learned the foundations of how to use evidence to support a claim, which is a very complicated and multifaceted process. And while we're doing that, we're focusing on literary analysis as a writing genre in order to learn how to write in an academic formal style, as well as how to write a full academic style essay, because most of the girls come in having some multi-paragraph experience, but we're going to elevate that to something that could be used in a college level. So this is kind of when we learn those skills to prepare them for the rest of high school and college.
So sophomore year is world literature. So we're building on the ideas and the skills that students learn in freshman year. We also begin to think about the argumentative essay, building our own claims and uplifting our own voices. And because this is world literature, we're also connecting all of Mercy's critical concerns into the literature we see to build bridges between the world that we live in and the world cultures that we're reading about. You're muted, Sarah.
I've been talking for 20 minutes. Thank you all. Okay, good. At the junior level, the title of the class is American Rhetoric for both AP and for our English 3 students, with the intention of mastering the art of persuasion. This is a college level writing class where we make sure that our students are at that collegiate level when it comes to persuasion, argumentation, and just basic sophisticated writing. We focus on the textbook of the media. We use the newspaper as our textbook, and we really focus on nonfiction texts so that we can look at the specific messages and audiences, and we analyze the rhetoric of a variety of speeches from Martin Luther King Jr. to Abraham Lincoln to Kamala Harris last night. We use a variety of sources to kind of understand what it means to be an American, to question the American character, and to try and understand what America's future will look like as well.
There we go. I'm unmuted. Hello. First of all, howdy to some Tools for Schools families in here. Wonderful to see you. I'm smiling underneath the mask, I promise. I'm here on campus. Senior year, we put it all together. If I have 100 and some odd students, that's 100 and some odd different strengths and skills. And we really try to develop your voice as an individual. We work with writing as a craft. And we go back to the literature a little bit more so, although we do keep current events, articles, clips as part of our supplemental materials. Our major focus is poetry and literature, short stories, novels, novellas. So we use the arts to get to the science. We use the open-ended kind of interpretive art aspect, but then we apply the scientific aspect of the writing craft to make sure that you're getting the kind of attention you want in college and beyond, to make sure that your essays are going to be the ones that the professors are excited to get to when your name pops up. So we're putting it all together, customizing it, and advancing the challenges. That's our senior year.
So I not only teach freshmen and seniors, which bookend our department, but I have a daughter who started this year as a freshman at Mercy. And now as a member of the English department, but also as a new Mercy parent, I can share with you a few things that I've been really pleased with. One of the things that drew us to Mercy was in the English department, seeing that mapped out level curriculum really showed to me a long range thinking plan for the girls' education in their 4 years at Mercy in this department. And also that there's a continuity. I really appreciate it, and seeing it now from the inside. I love the details of how the girls are prepped from 1 year to the next to be ready to advance. Also, the assignments I'm seeing both from my colleagues, but as a parent, watching my daughter do her work from home, they're challenging and they're inspiring. She senses that the bar has been raised and she knows there's support there to help her meet those expectations. And I think she finds it really exciting. She definitely feels this is a different world than the 8th grade she left. This is officially high school, and she loves that aspect. And I can also say, both as a new teacher and as a parent and watching my daughter, Mercy opened doors, opened arms, opened hearts. We are so welcomed. My colleagues really have been here to help me because everything is in service of the students. And my daughter and her freshman class have shown a tremendous amount of resilience in this distance learning year. She is making friends and she's loving the education she's getting. She's actually experiencing Mercy, which I think is a credit to the school at this time.
So we as English teachers, yes, we care about sort of requirements and learning targets and other, benchmarks we need to meet. But most importantly to us, our goal is that our students leave our classrooms with a strong voice, with confidence, that they are able to stand up for what is right, that they have the determination to make this world a better place. So we have 3 minutes left. If anyone would like to ask any questions. I forgot to say this earlier. If you have any questions, please feel free to type them in the chat privately or to everyone, and we can answer any questions that way. If you would like to unmute yourself and ask us a question, please feel free to do that as well. Does anyone have any questions about English, about our department, about our program, about us as teachers? More than happy to answer any questions. Gonna do that awkward teacher pause. And if not, there's nothing wrong with that at all. It means we kind of maybe hopefully gave you some insight of what's important to us, what a Mercy English education looks like. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to find our information on the Mercy website and email us. We are here to help and here to answer any questions. And we hope everyone has a wonderful Sunday. Thank you for joining us. Happy Sunday. Thanks so much. If you need help getting to your next Zoom link or Zoom area or whatever we're calling this, Zoom, we can help with anything. So please let us know if we can help you. Everyone have a wonderful Sunday. Happy Sunday. Thanks for coming.